Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiato here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am planning for the week beginning June the 6th to the 12th 2022 in my memory planner. So I'm using this mystery kit from PinkDiamondPlannerCo. I believe it's a June 2022 mystery kit, and I paired it with the foil that also came with the mystery kit, which is like in a hollow waves. So at the time I wasn't subscribed, so I had bought the overstock that she sells, but I am now currently subscribed because I found myself always buying the mystery kits. So I thought, well, I might as well just get them straight up and cheaper. So this was another color blocked spread, and I did quite a good job matching the colors. Some colors I couldn't find, and I used a lot of like foiled icons, but yeah, and I did bring in the extra color also. For one of the days I had an extender on every day, which is why my planner is so chunky. Yeah, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I don't really want to do questions, and I don't want to put music on, and I have like about a couple more, like 1 more minute left of the base. So I think I'll just talk about the gist of the week. So this week is my 16th week of maternity. During this week Malik slept through the night once, which he doesn't actually do that much even now. I was watching Heart of Dixie, looks like. Oh, and we went to the park and I put him in the swing, and he was like chatting to kids. And then there's an airplane. Sorry about that. So I think I'm going to start the day by day now, and hopefully I'll catch up, or I won't be too ahead. So starting with Monday, I used a pillow icon from Tilly Journals to note that I was really tired. Then I knew it'd go on a walk with Malik with this buggy icon from Kylie Plans and a walk script from Temps Loves Crafts. Then noted that Malik had a appointment, so I used this squidge sticker from sorry, I forgot the sidebar. So in the sidebar I used this Bubba Best Studio Park sticker to note go into the park, and then I used the Bella Plan Ella character to note my maternity leave, and a PMD sticker script. Okay, back to Monday. So to note the appointment, I used this squidge sticker from Stick with a Blanco and a Malik script from Randy.plans and an appointment script from the foil bundle. Then noted that obviously Malik was fussy after his injection with this crying baby from Papershire and a Malik fussy custom script from Tilly Journals. I used this emoji sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co to note watching Grey's Anatomy. The Grey's Anatomy script is from Kylie Plans. I next noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from Tilly Journals and a Plan With Me binge custom script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted uploading a Plan With Me with a YouTube play button icon from the foil bundle and an upload Plan With Me script from Sugarbox Stickers. Then I noted playing with stickers with this icon from Papershire and a play with stickers script from Kylie Plans. Then noted a grocery run with this grocery bag sticker from Fox and Cactus and a grocery run script from the foil bundle. And finally I noted taking a long bath this night with this bath sticker from Paper Milk and a bath script from the foil bundle. Okay, so moving on to Tuesday, I used the sleep mask icon from SBC to note being tired AF. Then marked sleeping in with Malik with this Beneath Creation mum and baby like sleeping on the couch sticker and a sleep-in script from the PinkDiamondPlannerCo and a with Malik custom script from Randy.plans. I then noted having some bagels for breakfast with a bagel sticker from Kylie Plans. Next I noted organising my stickers with this paper case sticker organisation sheet sticker and an organised stickers script from Ice Cream Joe. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from SBC and a Plan With Me binge custom script from Planner Hannah. I noted Bath and Malik with this bath sticker from What's More With Love and a bath time script from Planner Hannah. Next, I noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from the kit and a YouTube binge script from SBC. Next, I marked watching Love Island with this popcorn icon from, I think it's from Planner Face, and a Love Island script from Bella Plan Ella. I noted cuddling with Malik with this Malik cuddles script from Carly Plans and a PMD stickers character with a baby. I noted doing some laundry with this washing machine icon from Carly Plans and a laundry script from the foil bundle. And then finally I marked that this was the first time he slept through the night with this script from Naturallyads Designs and a PMD stickers baby in a bed. Moving on to Wednesday. At the top of Wednesday, I marked that Malik was fussy with a crying baby sticker from the Windsor Cat Studio and a Malik fussy script from Tilly Journals. I noted more bagels with a bagel icon from Kylie Plans. I noted drying the clothes that I had washed the previous day with this washing line sticker from Papershire. I noted washing more clothes, the life of a mum with this washing machine icon from SBC and a wash clothes script also from SBC. Then I noted uploading a plan with me with a YouTube play button icon from SBC and an upload script from Harriet Wright Designs. I noted reading with Malik with this Stick with PlanWithAds girl reading a book to a baby and a read script from the foil bundle and a with Malik script from Arandy.Plant. Next I noted organising more stickers with another Paper K organised sticker sheet. This one's like the minimal sheet, and an organised sticker script from Adorably Amy Designs. Next I noted doing some memory planning with this Also Paper Girl and a memory plan script from Kylie Plans. I then noted doing some fun planning, probably or just another type of planning with this planner sticker from Paper Milk and a time to get planning script from the foil bundle. I noted cooking with this tackle icon from the kit, I think I made wraps, and the cook script from Sugar Box Stickers. I noted joining some of my locks, my hair, with this bow sticker from Tilly Journals. Then I noted watching more Love Island with this popcorn icon from Cardi Plans and a Love Island script from Bella Plan Ella. I used this iPad sticker from PMD Stickers to know I was using Procreate this day. Moving on to Thursday. At the top of Thursday, I noted that Malik woke up really early and was talking a lot. So I used this Calling Baby from Bubba Bear Studios to note that. I noted having some breakfast with this icon from, this is from SBC. I then used a Make Plans Pick with a Planner sticker and a planning time script from SBC to note doing some planning. I noted Bath and Malik with this What's More With Love bath sticker and a bath script from SBC. I noted joining some more of my locks with this comb and scissors icon from SBC. I noted that me and Malik were singing and listening to nursery rhymes with this Paper K baby and mum sticker. I then noted that he was fussy again with a crying tantrumish baby sticker from What's With Love and a Malik fussy script from Tilly Journals. I noted more Love Island with another Carly Plans popcorn icon and a Love Island script from Bella Plan Ella. And finally I marked watching Heart of Dixie with a TV icon from Make Plans. Moving on to Friday, I marked being Tired AF with a script from Happy Sticker Design. So if you didn't already know, I do PR for her. Use my code ADIA215 to get 15% off her brand new website, and she will be having a Black Friday sale. Hopefully this is uploaded before then. And the icon is from Paper K. And then noted that Malik was super chatty again with this Boniva's Creation baby sitting up sticker. I noted more breakfast with a this is from Carly Plans icon. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from Tilly Journals and a Plan With Me binge script from Planner Hannah. I noted a planner session, probably memory planning with this Also Paper Girl and a planner session script from Sugar Box Stickers. I noted pulling some stickers with a Stick With PlanWithAds girl and a pull sticker script from Tilly Journals. I then noted uploading another plan with me with a YouTube play button icon from SBC and an upload script from Planner Face. I noted that we had some visitors with a heart icon from SBC. And I noted that the visitor that came, she came with her niece and she read a book to Malik. So I used a book icon from SBC and a reading time script also from SBC to note that. I noted making some scripts on Procreate with this iPad icon from SBC. And then I noted finally watching Love Island with a popcorn icon from Carly Plans and a Love Island script from Bella Planella. Moving on to Saturday. So at the top of Saturday, I noted waking up early with this up early munchkin from What's With Love. I noted making some breakfast with another Carly Plans icon. Next, I noted listening to some nursery rhymes with Malik with his mum and kids sticker from Papershire, like watching TV. To note that, I noted getting some Happy Meal with the Papershire Happy Meal sticker and a Happy Meal script from Rounded Up Plans. Then I noted washing my hair with the Stick with the PlanCo girl and a wash hair script from Carly Plans. Next, I marked that my husband washed Malik with this washing sticker, baby bathing sticker from Papershire and a with Papa script from Tilly Journals. Then I noted that Malik wore his Manchester United top with this Paper K football bear. Could be a girl or boy, but I don't know. It was pink, so it matched. And then I noted taking pictures of him with a camera icon from the foil bundle from the kit. Next, I noted running some errands with this letter icon from Tilly Journals and an errand script from Make Plans. I noted taking a family walk with this pushchair sticker from Beneva's Creation, and I used a walk script from Templar's Craft and a family script from it said Family Cuddles, I think, from Carly Plants. Then noted going to the park with a park sticker from Sweet Ava's Creations and a park day script also from Sweet Ava's Creations. I marked that I put Malik on the swing with a swing icon from Planner Hannah. Then noted that he was being super chatty and like talking to the little girls with this teddy bear sticker from Sweet Kawaii Design. Then noted coming home and filming a plan with me with a planner icon from Paper and Milk and a film plan with me script from Adorably Amy Designs. Next, I noted editing plan with me with this edit flat lay edit sticker from Paper Candy Art and an edit plan with me script from Sugar Box Stickers. And then I noted setting up the iMac with a Paper K sticker. So this happened before I filmed, I think, or before I edited, but it just fit better this way. And then finally on to Sunday, I marked being tired AF with a sleepy munchkin from What's With Love and a tired AF script from Happy Sticker Designs. I then noted Malik was with his dad with a Papershire dad and baby sticker and a with Papa script from Tilly Journals. I used a bed icon from Planner Hannah and a nap script from SBC to note taking a nap. Then I noted editing a plan with me with this edit munchkin from What's With Love and an edit plan with me script from Sugar Box Stickers. Next, I marked a plan with me binge with a sticker sheet icon from SBC and a plan with me binge script from Planner Hannah. I next noted doing my mum's hair with this Harriet Rat Design scissors and comb icon. I noted watching more Heart of Dixie with a TV icon from Make Plans. Next, I noted that Malik was playing outside in the garden with this crawling baby from PMD Stickers and a play outside script from Happy Sticker Designs. Next, I noted watching Love Island with another popcorn sticker from Carly Plans and a Love Island script from Bella Planella. And then I noted having a late night snack of some tea and a bagel with this bagel sticker from Carly Plans and a takeaway or hot cup icon from the foil bundle. Then I used a late night script from Happy Sticker Designs to note that. So this was this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread. And I'm going to show you guys a bit of a wiggle on what was left of the kit, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.